Hey guys, Tech Flash is here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram images, photos, and videos. I'm going to show you 3 ways to do that. So first, you got to find your video or photo. So I'm going to find a video, and you want to right click, click inspect, and then click this one, the one with the class, and then click it, open it. Click the arrow to open it, and then this first link is what you need. It should end with an MP4 if it's video. If it's an image, it should end with GPG or PNG. So enter it into your tab. Now you can download it here by clicking this button. So this is the first way. The second way is to go to the Google Chrome Web Store. So I'll put this link in the description below too, and then type in on a search bar, type in Tamper Monkey, and then you want to go here and download it. I've already downloaded it, so I'm gonna go on the next step. So after you download it, click it, create a new script, and then go to this link. I'll put this in the description below, and then copy the code here. So just copy everything. Make sure you copy everything or it's not going to work. Now come here, Control A and Control V after you've copied this code. So now click Control S, and then you want to go here and reload it. After you reload it, you should see this pink button over here. That doesn't come with the Instagram website. So after you click this button, you would download the image or video. So this is the second way. The third way is to go to downloadgram.com, and then you want to come here, and then you want to copy this link above here, and then control paste it over here, and click download, and then click this button to download the video or image. So these are 3 ways to download Instagram photos or videos. Like this video and comment below what you want to watch next, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.